Like any painting project, you'll need to prepare the surface you're painting and protect the surfaces you'll want to keep clean. In this section, we'll discuss site and surface prep, product safety, know your sprayer, sprayer setup, startup, selecting the right spray tip. Now you'll want to consult the store where you purchased your sprayer for tools and products that make the site preparation fast and easy. The first step in any spray project is to prepare the site and surface you'll be painting. You'll want to move as much furniture out of the room or area as possible, and make sure to have plenty of space for your tools and equipment. You'll want to cover any furniture, plants, or vehicles close by in the area. Cover everything you don't want to get painted. This includes removing or covering light fixtures. Before loosening or removing cover plates from light fixtures and electrical outlets, turn off the electrical supply to those areas. Mask and paper along doors, trim, and windows. Remove and cover heating and air conditioning vents. Remove any drapes and the bracket hardware. Now if you're painting a door or its trim, remove the door and place it across two sawhorses or a table. Remove all the hardware from the door. Repair all nail and screw holes with spackling compound using a putty knife. Look for cracks or holes and fill them in with putty as needed. Remember to sand any rough areas. Scrape off large areas of peeling paint. Caulk or fill in all exterior cracks and holes. In cleaning the surface, follow all directions on the material container. Wipe all surfaces clean. A pressure washer with cleaning solution may be used to clean exterior surfaces. It is important to allow all surfaces time to dry thoroughly. Now the last step is safety. It's one of the most important preparation steps. For your safety, read the owner's manual and follow all safety precautions for your paint sprayer and the materials you are spraying. Some of the basic safety precautions are as follows. Use your equipment only in well-ventilated areas. It's important to note that you never want to squeeze the gun trigger when the spray tip is between the spray and unclog positions. The spray tip should be secure and completely inserted in the guard and pointing forward. Never put your hand in front of the spray tip, and never point the gun at yourself or anyone else. High pressure fluid can pierce the skin and cause a very serious injury. If this happens, get immediate medical treatment, even if the injury appears to be small. Injection injuries are very serious. Always engage the gun trigger lock when not spraying. Use only grounded electrical outlets and 3-wire extension cords. Refer to your manual for the maximum length extension cord recommended for your sprayer. Always relieve pressure in the sprayer before cleaning, removing parts, or servicing your sprayer. The sprayer maintains pressure even after the power is turned off. Always wear protective gear, such as gloves, eyewear, hearing protection, dust masks, and respirators. Wear clothes you aren't concerned about getting paint on, and cover your head with a hat or spray sock. If you use oil-based coatings, consult the cleaning fluid compatibility section in your owner's manual for important safety precautions specific to oil-based materials. With the area prepared for spraying, it's time to get familiar with the sprayer.